Today, we are gonna learn a monster double bass drum fill. So let's jump into it. Hello, my friends. My name is Gabe Elguera, and I am from drumbeatsonline.com, a website that helps you become a better drummer. So last week, I did a drum playthrough of a pretty heavy song where I did a really fun drum fill that I would love to break down and teach you today. The drum fill sounds like this. You got it? Cool. I'll see you next time. Just kidding, but honestly, this fill is way easier than it sounds, so let's break it down. So this fill is 1 measure long, and it is played in sextuplets. So that means we are fitting 24 notes within 1 measure. We would count that like 1 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into. So this sticking pattern is insanely simple because we are simply playing right, left, kick, kick, repeated 4 times. This sticking pattern is also referred to as 4/2 because every time you play 4 notes on your hands, it is followed by 2 notes on the kick drum. See, I told you it's super easy. So the way we are gonna play this pattern around the kit is by simply playing that first right, left on the snare drum, then kick, kick. Then the next time through, we are gonna hit that first right on the stack cymbal, then a left on the rack tom, and then right, left on the floor tom, then another kick, kick. Then the third time through, we are gonna hit a right hand on the snare drum, left hand on the rack tom, right hand on the stack, left hand on the snare drum, and then kick, kick. And then finally, we've got a right, left on the rack tom, and then a right, left on the floor tom, and then a kick, kick. And then the way that I end this fill in the playthrough is by punching my snare drum and floor tom in the face right on beat 1 of the next measure. But now let's hear what this fill sounds like at a few different tempos, the gold tempo being 155. Check it out. So if you dug this lesson and want to work on your double bass drum skills even more, I have an entire course available for Drum Beats Online members called Mastering the Double Bass Drum Level 1. In this course, you will learn beats, fills, and exercises that will improve your coordination, control, and speed behind the double bass pedal, leaving you feeling much more comfortable. If you want to get access to this course, plus hundreds of other drum lessons, I have great news for you. You can get 30% off your first month of being a Drum Beats Online member by simply using the coupon code MONSTERDRUMFILL. This code is only active for the next week and ends on March 12th of 2019. So now's your time to get way quicker feet. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. I can't wait to see you all play this fill, and let me know what other fills you want me to break down in the comment section below. I will talk to you all down there. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye.